everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic rain dream photo, a trending AI portrait style that looks emotional, realistic, and beautifully poetic using Google Gemini. Nana banana. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can use it from your websites or through the app like this, and then once it's open, just log in using your Google account, and then after that on the home page, just tap on the create image or tools, or taps on tools icon and then create images like this. And then this way to activate to Nano Banana, the Google News AI tool that lets you edit or create photo instantly just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. It can be a portrait or any image that you want to transform. Just tap on plus button and then gallery. And then just choose your photo. Make sure your photo is valid. And then after that, we will move on the magic part. Let's writing a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just screenshot it and then using Google Lens, just copy it and then paste it to your prompt box. But feel free if you want to tweak the prompt as you like. Next, I want to copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini, paste it, and then generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. The cinematic rain dream effect will give you a hyper-realistic emotional portrait like this, like something straight out of a movie scenes with wet texture, and then it has a mist and soft tones. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.